We guide you through how to send money from Xoom to bank account. First, sign into your Xoom account on the app or website and tap Send Money. Choose the recipient's country, then select Bank Deposit as delivery method. Enter the amount you want to send, and you'll see the exchange rate, transfer fee if applicable, and the estimated delivery time. Next, add the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank account, along with their bank name and required account details, such as the account number or IBAN, depending on the country. Review all the information carefully to avoid delays or failed transfers. After that, choose your payment method such as linked bank account, debit card, or credit card if available. Confirm the transfer, complete any required identity verification, and submit your payment. You'll receive a confirmation email and can track the transfer status directly from Xoom account until the money is successfully deposited into the recipient's bank account.